Greetings fellow workers. In this brief video, we will explore the evolution of workers' rights in the United States, from the early days of the Industrial Revolution to the present day. We will examine the significant events and struggles that have shaped the labor movement and improved working conditions for millions of workers across the country. The labor movement in the United States dates back to the late 18th century when the first trade unions were formed to advocate for better working conditions and wages for workers in various industries. However, it wasn't until the late 19th and early 20th century that the labor movement began to gain significant momentum, fueled by the rapid industrialization and urbanization of the country. In 1886, the Haymarket riot in Chicago became a pivotal moment in the labor movement, leading to the formation of the International Workers of the World, which advocated for the overthrow of capitalism and the establishment of a socialist system. The early 20th century saw the rise of powerful unions such as the American Federation of Labor and the Congress of Industrial Organizations, which organized workers in various industries, including mining, steel, and automobile manufacturing. In 1935, the National Labor Relations Act, also known as the Wagner Act, was passed, which guaranteed workers the right to join unions and engage in collective bargaining with employers. This landmark legislation helped pave the way for the growth of unions in the United States and gave workers greater bargaining power to negotiate for better working conditions and wages. Throughout the 20th century, unions played a significant role in advocating for workers' rights, including the 8-hour workday, workplace safety regulations, and health benefits. However, unions also faced significant challenges, including anti-union sentiment and political opposition. In the 1960s and 1970s, the labor movement expanded its focus to include civil rights and social justice issues, with unions supporting the civil rights movement and advocating for policies that promoted equality and social justice. In recent years, the labor movement has faced new challenges, including globalization, automation, and the erosion of workers' rights. However, unions continue to play a critical role in advocating for workers' rights and fighting for economic and social justice. The history of workers' rights in the United States is a complex and often turbulent story. However, it is also a story of progress and resilience, as workers and their advocates have fought tirelessly to improve working conditions, wages, and social justice. While there are still many challenges to overcome, the legacy of the labor movement provides hope and inspiration for future generations to continue the fight for workers' rights and a more just and equitable society. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more worker content.